Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Andobil tripod stand. It's a flexible and awesome 2021 durable designed tripod stand. And you can use it on the entire movie equipment, nearly entire. This is the 2021 latest version of the mobile phone tripod. Thanks to the high-strength aluminium alloy and the high-density TPE, the tripod is 10 times more stable and durable than other normal versions of it. The Andobil-laboratories has been tested thousands of times and it will not be damaged even if it folded more than 10,000 times. That's a lot. We can flexibly attach our phones and cameras indoor or outdoors. For example, on poles, railings, branches, bicycles, or chairs. The mini tripod records the beautiful moments of our lives. And infinite flexibility and super compactness. Do we want to capture unforgettable landscapes at any time with a simple tripod? This smartphone tripod has a 360 rotation ball head, so we can easily take clear photos or videos from any angle. The mini tripod weighs only 400 grams, but it can hold devices weighed up to 1,200 grams. Wow, it's like an ant. Simply put it in our backpack and we can travel without any props. And we can change the selfie mode freely. With the included Bluetooth remote control, real recording freedom is achieved. The Andobil mobile phone tripod holder is our best personal photographer. We can capture every important moment perfectly from a distance of 33 feet. Whenever it's travel parties, selfie, or YouTube or TikTok videos, we can make it. It can be easily reached. It is our best partner. And we have a large compatibility. The camera tripod comes with a 1/4 standard screw thread, so we can safely connect the digital cameras such as Nikon or Canon, DSLR and GoPro too. The phone holder with a maximum weight of 3.75 feet is perfectly compatible with the iPhone 12, 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max. And of course, the other phones out there is no prop for it too. Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi, etc., etc., etc. Here you can see what's in the package. There is a selfie stick tripod with a maximum load capacity of 1,200 grams, one universal mobile phone holder, maximum wide of 3.75 inches, and 1/4 standard screw thread, one Bluetooth remote control, and the Andobil mobile phone tripod holder is of high quality and comes with a secure guarantee. And if you're going to use the remote control, it's really easy. We have to remove the cover, the plastic cover, then the coin battery will be operating. After this, we're going into pairing mode. Long press the shutter button for 3 seconds to turn it on. The indicator light flashes red after entering into pairing mode. We go and entering the settings of our device, activate the wireless function, find the remote shutter named Z075 in the device listing. Then we click the name to connect. The red light goes out after connected, and the remote control will automatically connect it to our device at the next time. And then we can take photos, we can record videos, we can perform everything what this remote or what your smartphone or your other Bluetooth device can deliver with it. It's a tripod stand. We can fix the phone clip on a 360 fluid ball head. Adjust the head position to take a horizontal shooting, for example. Or we fix the phone clip on a 360 fluid ball head, adjust the head position to take vertical shootage. Or a DSLR and a mirrorless digital camera can be fixed on the 1/4 screw. And a GoPro, for example, camera can be connected with an optional GoPro adapter, which is not included, okay? It's easy. 360 fluid ball head with 1/4 universal camera screw. It's easy to attach and to disattach. We have to move the circular knob for the fixing in for DSLR, mirrorings, digital cameras, tripods, head, and the equipment with the 1/4 universal camera screw smoothly. We twist the legs of the tripod in any position to place it anywhere. And awesome is flexible legs can be adjusted to become an ideal tablet stand to put our iPad, for example, or books. No prop. We can use it and we can bend it. This tripod is really awesome. The model is PDU VZZ. It's for smartphones, camera action cams, and iPad, for example. And we have everything what we need to make it good and nice shots. Video or photo shots. No prop. Using smartphone, GoPros, DSLR cams, or you can use it as a stand for your iPad. 2. That's multifunction, I think. Flexible rotation included. And remote control, if you liked. Lightweight and portable. This is the Andobil tripod. The Andobil flexible tripod from 2021. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.